Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first company for today it is a trade desk, and the second one is a tech rack, and the third one is M3. So the M3 it is hiring for multiple roles. So we shall see the complete details of all three job updates. So the first company for today it is trade desk, and the job profile, so the role they are hiring it is for software engineer intern, and the qualification needed for this it is bachelor's degree, and the batch eligible is either 2025 or 2026, and they are currently hiring for the freshers, and the salary of the CTC so it is 15 lakhs per annum, and the work location for this is Bangalore. So this is the complete details about that, and coming to the skill sets and the application form for this. So coming to the skill sets, like you need to be fluent in any one of the programming languages. So it can be either JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, C++, as well as SQL is needed. And also you need to have knowledge on the data structures and algorithm techniques. So these are the skills which are required for this. And coming to the eligibility criteria, as mentioned, you should have done or enrolled, like completed your currently enrolled in the bachelor's or the master's program in either computer science, software engineering, or the related fields. So the graduation between November 2026 and August 2027. So they need to be available to work for 12 weeks during the summer 2026, that is from June to August in Bangalore. So post completion of that, so you'll be joining as a full-time position. So this is about the first company, that is Trade Desk. So this is the application form for this. So you can autofill with Greenhouse. So if you have the account with that as well as updated resume, or else you can apply manually. So you need to fill the first name, last name, email address, your contact details, and you need to upload the updated resume. And then the next step is your education details. So you can add the higher education details, and then so if it is through referral, so you can add the referral code or else mention not applicable. So are you currently a student or a graduate? So the CGPA, and then so are you open to relocate to Bangalore? So you can just go through all these questions, and then you can agree the terms, and you can just submit the application form. So this is about the first company, that is Trade Desk, and the second company it is TechRag. So the TechRag, so qualification needed for this, so it is also for BR BTECH graduates, and the experience required for this, so it is for freshers, and the batch eligible for this it is 2023, 2024, as well as 2025. So these three batches are eligible to apply, and the work location for this is Hyderabad, and the drive date, so it will be conducted from 2nd to 3rd August 2025. So it's a walk-in drive, so which will be conducted in the company premises, that is Hyderabad. So the complete details about the drive, so it will be shared to your email ID. So post completion of applying, so once you apply for this role, so they are going to send the complete details, drive details, to your respective mail ID. So coming to the skill sets for this also, like you need to be good in any of the programming languages, and then so knowledge of SQL is needed for this. So this is the application form for the tech rack. So the drive or the venue location, so it is in the Silicon Park building, Image Garden Lane, Madhapur, that is in Hyderabad. So it will take place from 2nd to 3rd August 2025. So for this, first you need to fill the registration form. So the first step is your personal information. So you can add the personal details like the first name, last name, date of birth, gender, and the Aadhaar number. And then next step is contact details. So you can add the valid email address and your phone number details, your city pin code, and the complete address. And then the education information. So you can mention the highest qualification pursued till date, and then whatever the primary skills and the university streams, everything, and the percentage. And the next step is the training and certification. So if you have done any of the certification or the trainings related to the whatever, like you any programming languages, or if you are having any of the certifications, you can add any of the technical certifications you have. And then the next step is you need to upload the resume. So do upload the updated resume, as well as you can upload the photo, passport size photo, and then the reference information. So if you have any of the reference, you can add that, or else you can mention no. And here you need to check this and you can just register. So once you register, so post like they are going to review your application form, and if you are fit for that, so they'll send you the drive details, like whether you need to be available on 2nd or 3rd August. So they are going to send the complete details to your respective mail ID. So based on that, so you can attend the drive. So this was about the second company, that is TechRag, and the third company for today, it is M3. So M3, they have multiple job openings. So currently they are hiring for all of these profiles: the software development, site reliability, application engineer, so the IT support, service desk analyst, banking services analyst. So these are the different roles they are looking for, and the qualification needed. So either B or BTECH or any degree, so they are eligible to apply. And the batch eligible for this is either 2022, 2023, 2024, as well as 2025. And the experience needed, so the freshers are eligible. And the salary of the CTC, the starting salary, it ranges from 5 to 9 lakhs per annum. And the work location for this, so they have multiple locations, either Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, as well as Delhi. So these are the different locations and the different profiles they are hiring for. So actually it is divided into three different sections: the technical as well as to non-technical. So we have separate link for that. So the separate links, it will be provided for each of roles. So for the tech roles, so you can see that the degree in either computer science or the related streams are eligible, and the minimum percentage criteria should be 60% or above, and there should be no any standing arrears to apply for this. And coming to the skill sets for this, so you need to be strong in the programming languages, either Java, Python, C or C++. And like if you have participated in any of the competitive coding, so it will be an added advantage for this. And also you need to have solid understanding of data structures and algorithms, OOPS concepts, design patterns, and multi-threading. And also the understanding of SDLC, that is software development lifecycle, as well as the test-driven development. So these are the skill sets which are required to apply for the tech roles. So for non-tech roles, they did not mention any particular skill sets, like you need to be good in communication skills and all. And so coming to the like how it works, like the selection process and all. So you need to register with the same link. So you need to apply for the position you wish. So you can apply for any of the positions, like you can apply for multiple roles. So you can apply for all three roles, and then the first round will be the aptitude as well as the coding test. So you need to clear that. So once you clear that, there will be the communication assessment, the verbal part English assessment, and then there will be technical round, and after that there will be final interview round. So post completion of the final round, so you'll be getting the offer letter, in which you'll be undergoing the training for 3 to 12 weeks. And so there will be discussion regarding the training. So there will be training assessment, as well as post completion of the training there will be some discussion or the interview, like based on that, so you'll be converted to a full time. So these are the steps included in the selection process for this. So this is the application form for that. So you can fill your personal details, you can upload the updated resume and the job role preferences. So as mentioned, you can choose the software development or else the IT support role, banking service or the site reliability. So you can choose any of the roles. And so the complete job description, everything it is being provided in that. So you can just go to each and every job description, they have mentioned it properly. And also the salary or the CTC it is mentioned, so which is 9 LPA for the software development path. And the skill sets, everything they have mentioned. And similarly for the other roles, like if you go for IT support also, so for IT support the salary or the CTC it is 5 lakhs per annum, and the year of password is 2025. And the roles and responsibilities, everything they have mentioned, and what are the skills they need, so it is mentioned, you can go to that. Similarly for the site reliability as well as banking services also, they have separate job role description. So each of these links will be provided in the description, so you can go to that thoroughly and you can apply for the roles accordingly. And here you have how did you hear about this, so you can mention social media. And then if you are referred by training, assessment or company, then you need to select that name of organization who referred you, and the gender, date of birth, Aadhaar card number. So go to each of these fields and you can fill all the required details. And here, like if you are applying for the tech role, so which coding language you are comfortable, so you can choose multiple programming languages if you are good in. And if you have experience in the competitive coding, so do add that. And if you have done any of the certifications, then you can add that, the rank, grade and the status of that. And currently if you are working somewhere, you can mention that also. And also the notice period, the role, everything about the current company details. And the preferred work location, so you can choose the location where you are like you are able to relocate. And then also you can select you are like you are able, you can relocate to the to this respective location post selecting that. And then you can go to these all questions and you can answer those. And lastly you just need to agree the terms and you can mention this yes, and then you can submit the application form. So this is the complete details about the third company, that is M3. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching and do subscribe our channel for more updates.